Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip pecan blondies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a large bowl, add in the melted butter, sugar, and dark brown sugar, and beat them with a whisk until they're smooth. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract, and beat them in until they're well combined. Then add in the flour and salt, and mix them in until they're just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter. So once you can't see any more dry flour, stop mixing. Then add in the chocolate chips and chopped pecans, which is optional, and fold them in until they're combined throughout the batter. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square pan. Pour the batter into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for at least 15 minutes. And you can serve them still warm if you like. And if you like, you can add a scoop of ice cream and a drizzle of caramel sauce. And that's how to make chocolate chip pecan blondies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.